How to install loklok TV on your TV box. First, download file loklok TV APK from Telegram group that I have provided and just scroll down below to the file area and find loklok ATV.apk. Download send files to TV for both of your device, and this one only can work with your Android phone but cannot with your Apple iOS. So for the TV box, click receive, and on your handphone, Android phone, click send. Next, Android phone, click send. So find the folders on your download folders or any folders that you have saved it. Folders / Telegram, download folders, Telegram, or another folders. It depends on your telephone or brand of your telephone. Click send, and now you are ready. After that, you have to find the file that you have downloaded. Especially you have to download the FX APK from store and go to downloads and find loklok, and then you save as or set as favorite and move it to the top of it. Next, open loklok on the TV box and wait until QR code appear. Now download loklok and purchase standard VIP for 24 ringgit per month, and after that you can make a QR option or scan the QR by using your smartphones, especially for the Android phone, and you can't use your iPhone for this matter. Now enjoy your loklok TV. Good luck everyone, and thank you for watching.